Howdy, y'all. It's time for some day drinking. Today, we've got some 2023 Parabola from Firestone Walker. It's an Imperial Stout aged in bourbon barrels, 13.5% ABV. I haven't had beer in, I don't know, this month, last month. I think I had one last month. I've been on a diet, and once you get rolling on the diet, you really start hating lettuce. But anyway, beer is heavy calorie, and since I've only had a bowl of soup today, what better thing to do, haven't built up a tolerance, than to drink a 13.5% ABV beer. Now, I recently came across my review of the 2022 Parabola, and naturally it was delicious. Ooh, look at that. Look how pretty. Tells me the color, I don't care. 4,000 cases produced, the OG. I'm the OG, yo. No, seriously though, folks. Store at 45 degrees. See if there's anything new on the box. Doesn't look like it. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow it too far away. Let's see if we can get it open here. I love Firestone's proprietary series. Their barrel aging. They've got some incredible stuff. Sukaba is my all-time favorite brew. Okay. I need a better bottle opener. Will you open? Come on. There we go. Sorry. Beer before glory. I don't know who Glory is and why they would be so mean to her. Oh, I got goosebumps just from smelling it. Smell that. Can you smell it? You can smell the bourbon. Now this is one, and most of their barrel aged, if you let them warm a little bit, the character comes out in the brew. The bourbon, you really pick up the bourbon. Can't let a single drop go by. This isn't cheap beer. So, molasses. Oh. Up front, it's sweet, caramel. And like a lot of theirs, you can't taste the alcohol, and it sneaks up on you. Sweet. Starting to get a little lactose, just a little. What else they got going on in here? Intense flavors of black cherry, dark chocolate, vanilla, roast coffee. I'm getting the coffee. Aged 8 years for a year in an equal combination of 8-year-old Blanton's bourbon and a 12-year-old Weller wheated whiskey barrels. Wheated whiskey is probably what's giving it a different taste. Cereal grains, bourbon, toasted coconut, cocoa nibs. Yeah, it's not as complex as I'm used to be honest, from Firestone and their these wonderful blends. I think it's the wheated whiskey that's throwing my tongue off a little bit. It's still incredible. A minimum of 4 stars. Oh, I'm picking up the chocolate now as it's breathed. You can hear the wind blowing across the bottle. As it's had a chance to breathe and warm a little, starting to get some of that complexity. I still prefer more of the bourbon barrel aging, just because I really like my bourbon. But at least 4 stars, and as it continues to breathe and warm up, I may go up to 4 1/4, 4.5. We'll see how it goes. There's the cherry coming in. Definitely let it breathe, let it warm. Hold it in my hands, let it warm. We're going to start with the core and we're going up from there. Nowhere to go but up. So that's what we've got. Don't chug it, sip it. Let it do its thing, and its true flavor will come out. Just like me. I grow on you. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day, and cheers.